Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall AWS SageMaker Studio local tools, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall AWS SageMaker Studio local tools, first, open your command line interface. If you are using Windows, you can do this by searching for command prompt in the start menu. For Mac OS or Linux, open your terminal application. Next, check if AWS SageMaker Studio Local Tools is installed by entering the command SageMaker Studio Local uninstall. If you see a list of installed packages, it confirms that the tools are present on your system. To proceed with the uninstallation, run the command pip uninstall SageMaker Studio Local. This command will initiate the uninstallation process. You may be prompted to confirm the uninstallation. Type Y and press Enter to confirm. Once the process is complete, you can verify that SageMaker Studio Local tools have been run the command SageMaker Studio Local version. If the command returns an error or indicates that the tool is not found, it means uninstallation was successful. For a cleanup, you may also want to remove any configuration files. These files may be located in your home directory under .SageMaker Studio. Navigate to that folder using your File Explorer or command line. Delete the .SageMaker Studio folder to remove any remaining configurations. Now you have successfully uninstalled AWS SageMaker Studio local tools from your system. You are ready to install new tools or move on to other projects as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.